Custom impulse too. Wow, it's a Dover with the traditional lantern.
Yeah.
You can hear the generator too.
Yep, custom impulse. That's cool.
Wow, this is nice.
Could be. It has the replacement lights. Indicator doesn't work. Does this say 90s impulse?
Probably 80s.
It has the replacement.
True.
Maybe a different picture, but that's pretty cool. It's traction for 4 floors.
Yeah.
It must have been an
Oh.
older elevator that was replaced. Only 2 were.
It's probably a Computamatic.
Probably. This is an interesting thing. I've never seen that kind of thing before. It's a weird keypad. Pass 2. I love the cab though.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, very nice cab.
Sorry.
You're good.
I like the sign though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's AH Root Building.
Oh, that indicator.
Let's send it up. I want to see how the indicator behaves to see whether it's...
Oh, it's got the close. Yeah, let's see if that indicator works. This one works. Yeah, except on 3.
All right.
That's it.
Well, that's it.